Welcome to this tutorial on how to create an account in Metatrader 4. Today, we will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, make sure you have Metatrader 4 downloaded and installed on your computer or mobile device. Once you have opened the application, you will see a login window. At the bottom of the window, click on the button that says Create an Account. You will be presented with an account registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Ensure that the email you provide is valid, as you will need it to verify your account. After filling out the registration form, you will need to choose an account type. Metatrader 4 offers different types of accounts based on your trading preferences and experience. Once you have selected your preferred account type, set a secure password. This password will be crucial for accessing your account in the future, so make sure it is something you can remember but hard for others to guess. Once you have completed the registration, check your email for a confirmation message from Metatrader 4. Follow the link in that email to verify your account. Once verified, you can log in using your newly created account credentials. You are now ready to use Metatrader 4 for trading and analysis. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.